Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, we will learn about the hazard lights in Yezdi Adventure. Hazard switch connector is behind the headlight, so we have to remove the headlight. The video is already in the channel. We have to remove the bracket behind the headlight to access the hazard switch connector. We have to remove the cable tie and the rubber cover too. So hazard switch connector has only one wire. So you can see that white connector, that is the hazard switch connector. Now that the hazard is switched on, the indicators are blinking even after disconnecting the connector, means it sends a signal voltage. It is not monitored continuously for continuity here, means it just sends a signal voltage to the flasher relay. So this is the electrical part of this hazard switch. So it has a single wire. We will check the voltage at the harness end, not the switch end. It has a one wire, mean we will put the multimeter negative to the chassis ground and check the voltage here. So it is around 9 or so, means the chassis ground voltage, so it would be around 12 volts exactly or so. So it is showing some error here. The hazard lights or safety indicators here. So how we diagnose or eliminate the issues here is, first we eliminate the electrical issues, means wiring issues at the connectors or so, by checking the voltage and filtering it out. And next we will jump to the flasher relay, which is the crucial part. So flasher relay here is a solid state device, means it's an electronic device. So on to the left side, if you remove the LH panel and LH two panels here, so on to the airbox side we have this flasher relay just beside the airbox. So this flasher relay has two connectors. One connector has two wires, red and black, and the other connector has 6 wires, multicolor. So this flasher relay seems to be a sealed unit or more of a black box kind of. So it is an solid state device, means it is an electronic device, most likely not repairable. So it is just replaceable if you find the hazards are not working. So it is not an electrical problem, then this device must be replaced. So let us just have a documentation here. When I removed this 2-wire connector and check the voltage at the harness end, when I turn the ignition on, there is voltage, means this 2-wire connector supplies voltage to the flasher relay further to execute the logic with the switches pressed or hazard switch pressed. So this is the 6-wire. It might be communicating with this 6 wires, like which one to on, etc. So let us check this also. So back probing this won't be useful, so I didn't do it, because even if one malfunctions, we have to replace the entire flasher relay if it is electrically good enough. So let's check the harness side voltages here. So in standalone mode, 6 terminals do not provide any voltage except the 5 terminals do not provide the voltage except the right side bottom one, 12.5 voltage it is providing. And then even after pressing the indicators, and there is no signal here. So that is how you isolate the issues in hazard light with respect to the electrical or flasher relay side. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please do comment, let me know the issues here. Thank you.